Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over how you can become a successful LEGO investor in 2022 and the resources and strategies you'll need to overcome the difficulties that LEGO investing often brings. So this set right here is a great example of the difficulties that LEGO investing can sometimes bring. I was able to get this set for $12.99. I was able to get it on sale on Amazon. But currently, a set like this is going to cost you about $20 at retail price. LEGO's increased the price of their battle packs to be about $20 for 4 minifigures. And the best way to overcome this is to just constantly look for deals and ways you can get sets on clearance. My favorite resource by far is Amazon. They pretty much always at least have some LEGO Star Wars sets and a bunch of other themes that are at least 20% off. So if you keep an eye out there, and often I've seen sets even do better than that. For example, I was able to get this one for like 40-something% off, so it was pretty great. So that's a good resource to use, but there are also plenty of retail stores that will often have good deals on LEGO. And if you are going to buy sets from the LEGO store and are hoping to get a good deal off, the best way to do that is to become a LEGO VIP member. That way you'll get the points back that you can redeem as a gift card later on. And that's going to be the best way to overcome this obstacle. But it is still a little bit harder to enter into the LEGO investing market if you're just now getting started. But it is still possible to become a successful LEGO investor in 2022, and there are plenty of ways to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.